In this video, I will show you how to transfer videos from iPhone to PC without compromising its quality. So let's get started. The video on the iPhone has 4K resolution and we will transfer this video to PC. Unfortunately, AirDrop is not compatible with Windows. However, we can use AirDrop-like apps to transfer videos from iPhone to the computer without any loss in quality. One such app is Snapdrop, a free web app that allows for easy video file transfers. First, ensure that both your iPhone and PC are connected to same Wi-Fi network. Next, open any web browser on both the devices and visit Snapdrop website, which is snapdrop.net. On Windows PC, you will see that a particular name has been assigned to you. When you check on your iPhone, tap on this name, which corresponds to your Windows PC, and then tap Choose Files. Select the video that you want to transfer. You will receive a prompt on your Windows PC. Simply accept the video on your computer. And there you have it. The video has been successfully transferred. Despite its 4K resolution, there is no loss in quality when opened. So this is how you can transfer videos from iPhone to PC without any loss in quality. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.